This powerful nutrient, it is going to provide your skin with a glow and your body with a health that you were actually looking for. Now I'm going to talk about the magic of vitamin E, everything that you need to know about vitamin E. Now let's talk about how you can understand vitamin E more better and how you can induce in your life. The number one is, what is actually vitamin E? It is a fat soluble vitamin with incredible antioxidant properties. Think of antioxidants as little warriors inside our body, fighting off things called free radicals that actually harm our cells, speed up the aging, and even lead to diseases. But now, with the use of vitamin E, you can combat all of these and act as a protective shield for your cells. I'm talking about the powerful antioxidant and the vitamin A. But let's talk about the benefits. Let's talk about why it is widely known, why the vitamin E is so much popular, and what are the magical ways through which you can use the vitamin E. The number one is the skin benefits. Vitamin E is famous in the skincare world, and it is for a good reason. It works wonder on and damaged skin. As an antioxidant, it helps reduce signs of aging by fighting off free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines. It's also a natural moisturizer that can calm the inflammation, making it excellent for people with eczema or psoriasis. If you have got scars or stretch marks in your body, applying vitamin E oil can help reduce their appearance over time. Number two is the hair benefits. Now, when it comes to hair, vitamin E works its magic by improving the scalp health, which in turn promotes stronger, healthier hair. Massaging the vitamin E into your scalp boosts the blood circulation, which can encourage the hair growth. Plus, it can help with split ends and provide a natural shine to the dull hair. The number three is the health benefits when it comes to beyond the skin and the hair. That means vitamin E offers many internal health benefits. It's known to support the cardiovascular health by preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is the bad kind of cholesterol that can lead to heart disease. Vitamin E also plays a role in boosting the immune system and make it easier for your body to fend off the illnesses. And it's even linked to better brain health as well, as its antioxidant properties reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Another one is the vitamin E sources. Now let's talk about where you can find the vitamin E, and there are plenty of natural sources and the supplements also available for you. The number one natural source of vitamin E is naturally found in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocado. They are not only packed with vitamin E, but they're also loaded with other vitamins and minerals. Like, these are superfoods when it comes to vitamin E. The supplements and dosage, like, while the natural sources are there, which are plenty, but vitamin E supplement can also be helpful if you are not getting enough from your diet or you want that instant benefit. So, look for the natural forms of vitamin E, those labeled D-alpha tocopherol, rather than the synthetic D-alpha tocopherol. I think seeing these spellings, you would be able to distinguish between what is labeled as natural, which is the first one, and the number two is the synthetic one. Now, the recommended daily intake varies depending on the age and the health, but it's generally around 15 mg for adults to take when it comes to the vitamin E. How to use vitamin E in your daily routine? There are so many ways to incorporate vitamin E. For skincare, you can apply vitamin E oil directly on your face at night, which is going to be miraculously there in your skin and help you. For hair, mix a few drops into your shampoo or apply it directly to your scalp. Also very effective. And don't forget to eat the vitamin E rich foods throughout the day for the day, because you will get the full body benefits of it. And let's talk about another thing, that's the possible side effects and precautions when it comes to vitamin D. However, there are not so many, but you have to be aware of the precautions. Like anything, vitamin E should be used with care. High doses of vitamin E supplements, especially if you take it over very long period, and high doses increase the risk of bleeding and even affect the blood clotting. So stick to the recommended dosage if you are going to some healthcare provider, and consult a doctor if you are unsure that how much of vitamin E should be there for you. Uh, Besides the general 15 mg which I talked about, but besides that you have to go to a healthcare provider when it comes to taking the supplement. So in this way you can stick to a recommended dosage and take advantage of the vitamin E without any side effect. So there you have it, the magic of vitamin E, which is going to provide you the best and the helpful way and the advantageous way to your lifestyle. So this was all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and see you the next time.